My computer crashed, and a weird pattern of pixels was left on the screen. I was messing around with window.open in JavaScript to try and make patterns with the pop-ups, and I hit around 250-ish Google Chrome windows when my computer crashed. I got an error labeled werfault.x, application error, that said the application was, and then has an OK button. The computer restarted and everything seemed to be back to normal, except for a section of weird pixel patterns right in the middle of my screen. The pattern occasionally disappears or changes, but it usually looks like this. Can I get rid of this? I'm using Windows 10 Pro on a ThinkPad Edge. I think this is it.
It appears to be a memory issue. To see if it's just temporary, do a full shutdown and reboot. Press Windows and type cmd, press Enter to get a cmd prompt, type shutdown/s/t0, reboot and check for the pixel problem. If that does not resolve the issue, turn off fast startup, which may be caching invalid data, and repeat the steps above. Let me know if this helps.
I would try a different screen resolution and if possible a different monitor. If it only shows on one monitor, then you know the monitor is the problem. And changing the screen resolution can have multiple outcomes. All will help to analyze the problem further.
Like Droish Pipik said, maybe a full shutdown helps. To do it you can also use the reboot option, because as far as I know it also performs a full shutdown and reboot, instead of just saving the RAM to the disk like the shutdown does. If there is still that error, either it is the frame buffer like Plasma wrote, or an error in the RAM. If it is in the RAM you can try to start a Mintist 86 Plus using a Linux Live image for example Linux Mint. Another option. Lenovo offers software for diagnosis. You can find that here, this URL. Bests.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.